Hi lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, God bless you. If you're back, what's up? How you been? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some makeup. Footage of my skincare. Don't worry about my nail, by the way, it is broken. So get ready with me. I actually haven't done a talk makeup video in a while where like I'm talking while doing my makeup. I start with my eyebrows. I don't really like the thickish eyebrow look, so I try to keep my brows as semi-natural or in the middle as possible. Maybe I should get my mics if I'm talking. Okay, one second. Let me get my mics. Okay, let's get back into the video. Okay, so now that I've done my brows, I'll fill them in. I'm just going to cut them out with some concealer, and then yeah, I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer. This is just kind of the easiest concealer to use, and it does the job. It does the job. Okay, so for my eyelids, to give me a more smooth base, just for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced concealer. I believe it's in the colour Tough Chestnut. Just going to put that on my lid, because we're going to do an eyeshadow look today. Okay. So now that that's all blended out, I'm going to get some of my setting powder just to pat it down, just so it's not wet anymore. I did dispense them. Normal brush, and just set that into place. And I don't actually like my eyeshadow looking too crisp, so I know some people kind of, you know, cut it off with their concealer. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to finish the rest of my face, and then I'm going to come back to my eyes just so I can blend it a little bit better and I can see where the look is going. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the Dior Forever foundation. This is really the only foundation I use, to be honest. Pop some on my brush. Oh. And I'm just going to put some dots on my face. Usually I don't actually use a brush to do this, but for quickness, it'll do the job. Usually if I really have nice, you know, calming time, a moment to myself to do my makeup, and I give myself probably like a good hour and a half or maybe, or something like that, then I can really take my time and use a beauty blender, really make sure everything's patted in and patted down nicely. You can still do the same, I'll still get the same result with a brush, but I feel like with the beauty blender, my makeup lasts a little bit longer when I use one. We're gonna build, so I'm gonna go back in with my e.l.f. here under my forehead. I'm not quite sure why I did like that, to be fair. Now, I let that sit for a minute, just like for a minute or two, and while I'm waiting for that to, hello, yeah, thank you. So I'm going to be getting an angled brush, we'll go in with our warm colour, and just going to be tapping that in. I'm going to add the brown to it as well. I feel like the forehead is my most boring part to do. I just can't. And And I think it's because my forehead's so big, I have to do a lot. Quick spray, and I use a powder puff now. I just find them to be a little bit, you know, sharper in how they give you more of a clean finish. But that is the e.l.f. concealer blended out. Then to highlight my face a little bit more, I go in with the Too Faced. I don't really put a lot. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I do my blush because I just like to have my blush blended nicely into the concealer. And I'm gonna go in with the colour Peach Sugar. I just love this shade. It's like so warming and so like, it's like a natural blush to the skin without being too dramatic. There's always a time for like a dramatic light baby pink. There's a moment for the purple, there's a moment for the red and the orange. But this one, oh, I can use this one without having a full face on as well because it's just so gorgeous and it does the job so well. And I'm just going back in with my warming brush. I haven't put any more product on it, but I'm just adding a little bit more of the warmth just to make sure it doesn't get lost with the blush. So I'm just kind of mixing them in a little bit, but not too much, still kind of giving them each of their moments, if that makes sense. I've just put the lashes on. All I need to do is just get my lip oil, get dressed, and then we'll be ready to go. So I'll see you guys in a minute. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to like this video and comment down below what you thought about this look, and don't forget to subscribe as well, please guys. It goes such a long way and it's free. Yes, God bless you guys. Do not forget to take care of yourself, take care of this temple that the Lord has blessed us all with. Be strong and courageous this week, and don't let anybody talk out against what God has called you to and who God has called you to be. Lots of love. Nay.